this class, we're going to be needing a copy of SQL Server Analysis Server Tabular Edition. And to accomplish that, you need to have downloaded and installed SQL Server at some point. And then you should have your media. Now, this, no matter how you install it, Microsoft does download the media. So you may have to search around for it, but it should be on your hard drive. And then once you locate the setup file for that, you will run it. This will bring up the installation center. You can also bring up the installation center by going over to Microsoft SQL Server and running the installation center shortcut from there, at which point you can go to the installation. And this is the odd thing. You need to create a new standalone installation or add a feature to an existing installation, but we're really adding on a new server. So when that starts up, you wait for a few minutes and then advance the wizard until you perform a new installation. You're not actually adding a feature, you're performing a new installation. Developer, create the license agreement, accept it. And this is where it gets interesting. You choose just Analysis Server. Now that's because I've already installed all the other servers I want to use. So I'm just installing a new copy of Analysis Server. I'm going to put on my D drive. Say next. Now I'll have to give it a name. So I'm going to call it Tabular 2017 because I already have 2016 on here. Clicking away should fill up this instance ID. Next. You can see I have Tabular 2016 already installed. Other than that, you could just install it as a default instance. And then service account is fine, just advance it. And this is the most important part. Make sure that you click on Add Current User. Also make sure that you're in tabular mode. Now I had already installed it as a multi-dimensional mode for 2017. So I'm just adding on a tabular mode that's going to sit side by side on my same computer. That way I can mess around with both. And say next. And that's it. Do the install. The install doesn't take very long after if you've recently installed SQL Server, so it should be done pretty quickly. Once it's done, you just say OK. I do recommend that after installing SQL Server, you always reboot your computer to make sure everything sets correctly. You can start using it right away, but often you'll notice small little things that aren't quite working like they should. So just do the reboot, and you're good to go. Hopefully that helps, and I'll talk to everyone later in other videos. Take care.